Good afternoon.
Hi. Ba, malakas ng anak ko
Papa, ano yan dala nyo?
Yung favorite mo. Grapes, apples, orange, chocolate.
Papa, nasa na mama?
Asan si Lily?
Nasa office si Dr. Eufemio.
Something serious?
Hindi naman ho siguro.
Kamusta ba siya? You can be honest with me, Doc. Kaya ko nang tanggapin. Handa na ako. Gaano katagal? 1? 2 buwan?
Mahina ng katawan ng bata. Madalas na ang kanyang dizzy spells. Isang umaga, magigising ka na lang. Well,
Excuse me.
okay. Wala siyang malay tao. Pwedeng malakas siya ngayon, bukas iba. Traidor ang sakit na yan. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you.
Bye.
Wow, ang gwapo-gwapo
Ano
naman
ba?
ng ko, pero isuot mo muna itong
Oo,
jacket.
maaga pa
Suot mo
naman
muna.
eh.
Baka
Sino-sino
ikaw
ba nandyan at minamadali mo kami?
Ano ba, Iha? Anong oras na? Aba, masamang pinaiintay yung Noche Buena.
Oh, mama. Bakit mo ba kami minamadali? Oh, sino ba nandyan?
Ayan.
Sila lang pala eh.
Oh,
Let them wait for a
Can you
while.
hear?
It's after
Hello?
12, you know. Larry, what time is it?
12:15.
See, it's only 11:45. Give me 15 minutes, we'll be there, okay? After 12.
Si Lily, andyan ba? Tawagin mo, ibig ko siya makausap.
Okay.
Hello?
Lily, gusto ka raw makausap ng
O,
mama.
ikaw naman mag-hello. O, sige na, hello ka nga.
Okay, darling, let's open
Hello,
the gifts.
Mommy?
Kaya ikaw ang kinausap ko, Lily. Alam mo naman yung anak kong si Elsa. Pag yan ang intayin natin, tapos ng Pasko, New Year na bago yan dumating.
Yes, Mommy. Before you know it, andyan na ho kami.
Si Alvin, is he still awake?
Eto ho, andito. He's opening his gifts.
Shooting
O, dali na, shoot your
stand up.
papa.
Larry, you're supposed to
Papa,
react, you know.
Dali!
Oh, wow. Papa is scared. Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Oh!
Oh, tita's kiss. Oh.
Papa, huli mo ako!
Alvin, malamig dyan sa labas.
I think you better follow. It's dark outside.
Come out now. May party pa tayong pupuntahan. Nakaputi ka, madudumihan ka niyan eh. Magagalit si Yaya. Alvin? Alvin? Bukas na lang kayo mag-hide and seek ni Papa. Wala siyang dalang baril eh.
Alvin? Doktor ka ngayon. May sakit si Papa. Come on, come out. Alvin? Alvin?
Papa.
Alvin?
What's wrong? Hindi naman kita binaril, Come on, our games. Sinabi ko naman sa'yo, huwag ka na... Alvin? Alvin?
Alvin?
Alvin? Alvin?
Alvin? Alvin? Ano nangyari? Oh, God, no, please. Alvin? Alvin? Alvin?
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pasture. He leads me beside the still water. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yes, though I will walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Surely goodness and unfailing love shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen.
Bye, Alvin.